There's Pretty Boy. I had names for him. One of them was Pretty Boy, and I can't remember what I was going to call the other one. It was some other variation of Pretty. That's a Crevacore Silky mix. That's a Crevacore mix down there. He's almost purple in the sunlight. I love that dude. And where'd Pretty Boy go? Hey, Mama Silky. Yeah, that's a Crevacore Silky mix Bantam. He's full grown. That's homie. And then I don't know if you can see, he's almost purple in the sunlight. His iridescence is beautiful. I mean, but anyway. So he's a Crevacore. He's a Crevacore. See him? Not homie. Homie was by himself, but him, Quasimodo, which ain't around right now, and him was all together. And one more black Crevacore we got running around here. It is Quasimodo, actually. But yeah, they were all together, born together. And King C over there with his little group is a Silky mix. Bunny is a Silky Easter egg mix, which I don't see around here either. That might be my baby right there. Little baby's almost purple too. So beautiful. There's Bunny coming up under the camper. No, there's Quasi. So Quasi, Pretty Boy, and the other Crevacore Silky mix I showed y'all. And old bud down here, right here. And one more black one was all born together. But these actually look like Crevacores and have Crevacore feet. I don't know if they're the same, because they was born with him. There's Dark Coat and him, and one more that kind of looks like a mix between him and him. But
Hello, Moto.
I'm not gonna answer that phone call. But they was all born together. They're really pretty.